Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Stark 12, formerly named K-Star, if anyone's new to the channel. So right now, I'm going to be presenting this quick preview of the installation of the strut towers front and rear, which I cannot wait to see and feel how the car will perform. Particularly, this is the 2014 Lexus GS350 F Sport, if anyone's new to the channel. This strut brace here will be up the front, and then the other strut brace right here from Tom's will be for the rear. But this one here is the Ultra Racing, so I improve increased rigidity and to prevent body flex as I tackle corners if I were to be driving and racing out on the track, which I can't wait for next week. But there were a couple of options on the front strut tower, which I was considering either Tom's or Ultra Racing, and there's also another one from Tanabe. So I decided to go with the Ultra Racing for the front, and then the Tom's will be better for the rear. So this is also will apply to the GSF models as well, not just the GS350 for the 2013 through 2020 with the last digit of the model name L10, URL10 or GRL10. So you can clearly see these are all wrapped in plastic since I've received it upon delivery. Safe handling so they don't get damaged on the way. But anyways, enough said, so gotta go to bed. Film this for tomorrow. Have a good night. All right, next morning, off we go. Looks beautiful there. It's just about done right there. Looks awesome. Can't wait to test it out soon. All right, that one's done there. Looks good. Fantastic job there from Rad Motorsports. Right down to the rear side, all the interior panels have been removed from the trunk, making way for the installation of the rear strut tower from Tom's. Okay, so in order for the rear brass part to be connected, however, it's going to be hampered by these interior panels that are covered, so therefore holes had to be drilled in, so make an easy way through. But well, otherwise it wouldn't matter to me if that's the most important thing to improve handling and performance. Yeah. But I love how the way Ultra Racing designed their front brace to make an easy fitment to allow this cap to be retained. So good job, Ultra Racing there. Big shout out to. Yeah. All right, so it's now around about an hour and a half. So the installation of this rear strut brace bar is finally completed, and it looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to feel how it actually handles to increase rigidity when I drive out around the track. It looks absolutely beautiful. And now to the front, and then here, the front brace bar looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks amazing, but I can't wait to see I cannot wait to see and feel how it drives and the difference when I drive out on the track when it didn't have like any front and rear brace bar, so it keeps it nice and stable. But of course, except I have the bottom braces, so it keeps it nice and stable. So I personally think it's just like a complete car here. So the front brace bar here was a simple, easy peasy. All it takes is just remove the caps, unplug the harness cover, unbolt them, and then place it nice and carefully, but slightly had to lift the car up a little bit so that way it'll position and align correctly. And then all it is just basically putting on the brace bar, and then put the cover back on, reinstall the harness for the adaptive variable suspension, only to be active if you're in Sport Plus, and then rebolt and retorque. And that's all there is to it. It's an easy job. Well, once again, huge shout out to Rev Motorsports here in Oregon, my favorite place. It's just like the Racer's Edge, like you see in the Fast and Furious, yeah. I also want to make a quick note that what I have here is the rear lower brace from Ultra Racing, but unfortunately it cannot be able to fit in because the rear apex C axle back pipe is in the way. But hopefully sometime we'll have to make some adjustments by cutting and rebending, and then we'll get that rear brace installed for the rear lower part, and that would complete the brace installation. But for now, I'm actually happy with everything it goes as far as the brace installation and how it will handle. But to be clear, this is actually the last thing I would need, the very last part of the bracing. But again, I'm not concerned at all. So anyways, let's go ahead and head on out and see how it runs. Let's go. Nice. Challenging right here, narrow bridge. Say is that I kind of forgot how it performed, but I couldn't be able to push a little harder because I don't want to induce any premature wears to the structures around it, so prior to the installation of the strut braces. But what I'm feeling right now, it's very, I don't know what to say, but it's it is very stable and stiff. So that's actually, again, it's actually perfect for this, perfect for the upcoming track days. So you can take on hard corners, hard curves, everywhere around. Yeah, I actually loved it so much. I cannot wait for the track days to see how it actually handles. That's about it for this video. But again, I enjoy driving this car, how it actually performs with all the braces installed. And so if you guys enjoy watching this video, so please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't hesitate to do so. That means so much to me. We'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. Take care. Strut 12 signing out.